Hello again, and for today we will test Owasp Juice Shop again. So, in this video I will show you how you can generate a discount coupon for the product that you want to buy. And if you generate a valid coupon, you'll be able to enter it here. If the coupon is valid, you will get a discount, let's say 90%, or it depends on the coupon that you generated actually. But I'll show you how to do that. And the easiest way to pass this challenge is to go about us. You can find the link here. So if you press on that link, it will ask you if you want to download the file, but we'll just copy link location because I want to see the full link location for this file. And if we open the new window and paste it here, yeah, you can already see that there is a FTP in the path. So you just need to remove, yeah, here it is, and you just need to remove this part. Okay, and just press the enter, and we have access to the FTP location. There's two things that are interesting for me. One is a coupon. So here it says that we have error. We are not able to download or to access to this page, to this file. So we will just type %25 00.md, and basically what am I doing here is null byte injection. And yeah, you will be able to download the file now. So we download this file with generated coupons, but anyway we'll need one more file from the FTP, but I'll talk about that later. So yeah, when we open that, we have some already generated coupons. We'll use that later on in combination with Z85 to decode or encode the coupon. So we'll go again to the FTP location, and we need to download the package.json.back, this one, and we will just do the same, %2500.md, and we will download also this file. When we open this file, there's a lot of information in it, but we need to looking for Z85. I found that Z85 by Google. I have tried to Google for almost each of those, but also I was looking for a hint on internet how to resolve this challenge. So I found a lot of useful information, and all of the useful links and things that helped me to resolve this I'll put in down below this video in description, so you can find also that and to read more if you're interested. And yeah, that's I think how I do that is I just copy Z85, is looking for the encoding, and yeah, here you can find some of the information about it. So by reading some of those pages, I have found that we need to download the 85 client. So basically I did that. Give me a chance, I need to check, is it here or no, I think it's not in this link, it's down, yeah, here it is. And you have also a description here how you can install and how to run the client. It's really simple. There's 2 or 3 commands, so yeah, it's straightforward. So just go to the command prompt, and I have already installed it. So when you type Z85, you will get the format how you need to enter it, and you will be able to decode or to encode the coupon. We'll copy that, and yeah, we'll paste it here. You just need to enter Z85 minus D. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, you need to enter minus D, and you need to copy paste the code from the MD file that we downloaded, and now we have the structure how the code should be generated. The code should be encoded. That means that we need to put a month, date, and then minus and percentage that we want to get discount. So in this case should be for the December 13 discount should be 15%. So if I try to enter this coupon in our basket, it will not be valid because today is a different date. So today is June 18, and yeah, basically we will just generate a new one coupon. So I will type here June 18, and let's give us 15% of the discount. We'll try this. I'm not sure will it gonna success from the first attempt, but we'll try to do that. So we're doing Z85. Now we need to encode, and we'll type this one, June 18 minus 15, and we get the code that we need to enter in this field. If everything's fine, we'll get 15% of the discount. Yeah, your discount of 15% will be applied during checkout. So now we will take let's say 90%. I think that is more than enough for us. So let's try to do that again. It's the same procedure. We just need to enter the valid format. We're using June 18 and 90% of the discount. We will encode that. Yeah, now we have the code. We just need to copy this code and to enter it in the field that we can find in a shopping basket. Okay, and let's try. Yeah, now we have 90% of the discount for the product that we have selected. We go to the checkout, and yeah, here we are. 90% discount from the coupon. So that means that the total price is $2.39. Yeah, that's great. So yeah, that's the actual way how I did that, and the way how I resolved this challenge. So maybe there is some easier way, but yeah, that's the way how I did that. If you have any question, feel free to contact me, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.